Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this quick video we're going to learn how to do a knitted cast on, and I've recently started a scarf, like a lacy scarf, and I'll have a video on it coming soon. But I had to do a like very stretchy cast on, and the only one that I could think of was the knitted cast on. And it's very simple. It's not as fast as the long tail cast on, but it's very simple, and I'll show you how to work it. I'm using my green yarn Sublime. It's an Aran weight, and it's 100% wool. It's very soft. I've done my Curra shawl with this one, I think. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So because it's a knitted cast on, we don't need to leave a long tail, just as long as you need it to weave it in. And we're going to do a slip knot. So twist, put your thumb through and pull the yarn, like so. We're going to put our needle through, and we're going to move our needle to our left hand, and we're going to pull our right needle. I'm going to put it through this stitch. The first stitch is hard to do. Then we're going to knit it, and we're going to pull on the stitch. Let me see. Pull on the stitch, twist it, and put it on the left needle. That's, now we've got two stitches. So again, as if to knit it, pull on the stitch, twist, and put it on our left needle. Knit the stitch, pull on it, twist, and put it on our left needle. Knit it, pull on it, twist, and put it on our needle. And you want to continue doing this for as long as you need, you know, however many stitches your pattern calls for. And there it is, the knitted cast on. It's very simple. As you can see, it's a lot slower than the long tail cast on, but I'll show you how it looks. It's, as you can see, it's quite stretchy. Obviously, if you want it to be even more stretchier, when you go in and knit your stitch, you just want to pull on this more and make it stretchier, you know. But yeah, there it is, the stretchy knitted cast on.